Hey guys, today we are going to be making a music video. So, dang, I didn't realize there's a lot of places, or a lot of signs that say where I live. So I'm not going to show that. And yes, I'm not dumb like this YouTuber who showed where he lives so someone can kill him. So, just mostly today, we are just going to be making a music video. Yeah. Oh gosh, I don't want that to happen to me again. Because like a few seconds ago, before I started to record, I fell on my hip. Like that's too much. He was right there the whole time. So I fell on my side, and halfway he was right there looking at me, and I fell, and then I just decided to make a music video. I fell somewhere like around here, I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna go to my friend Marcel's house, and yeah, so let's go. Yeah, it was somewhere around here, I don't remember where. Like, I'll let you see my shoulder. Like, look at that. Lucky for me, my parents bought a first aid kit so I can fix myself up. So lucky me. And my friend got hurt 2 times in the pool because I was just now in his pool. He was just playing around, and we already arrived from me talking a lot. So I'm sure he's done dressing up and stuff. So I'm gonna go in there. If he's not, I'm just gonna play Fortnite. Okay, is Marcel?
We're going to Bolton right now. I'm going to do some storage here. Okay.
Okay. That was a film. So they're going to the place, and it's about to rain. And there it goes. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye.